Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, yesterday's video, we had a beautiful bullish engulfing candle retesting a major resistance point. I mentioned that we would be looking for a pullback opportunity on Luna Classic because we were in the overbought territory. And right now, we have seen a nice pullback, but we are still hovering right above these exponential moving averages. This is a strong bullish engulfing candle, of course, and this could definitely lead into a continuation pattern. But we have to be very, very careful here. The reason why, of course, is the fact that if we do see this level being retested as resistance and then get a clean confirmation to the downside, this could definitely become a bar formation on the 4 hour. But in my opinion, Luna Classic is looking ready to be a massive breakout. The reason for that, of course, is the fact that you can see on the 4 hour, we have already tested this exponential moving average multiple times, and it shows that there is bullish pressure. So obviously we could be looking for a continuation pattern, and then things are going to become extremely interesting. What we want to see from a bullish perspective is this level be retested as support and then the continuation. That would give us a confirmation that we are looking to retest our major resistance point here at the 22. Of course, if this does fail to break above and then we see a continuation, then I would still be leaning towards that 14 level to be tested and possibly our major daily support at 86. Now, there are a few things I want to note. Number one, of course, is if we look at the hourly time frames, you can see that we are in a clean BART formation on the hourly as well. Keep a very close eye to see how this 18 level reacts. And more times it is tested and we fail to break above, and then we start to see those bearish engulfing candles come in. That would give you guys an analysis to say whether or not this BART formation will play out. Of course, if we do see a continuation pattern, then in order for this BART formation to be invalidated, we would have to see a clean move to around that 21 mark, grab that liquidity, find it as support, and then the continuation. Otherwise, we are still using this bar formation on the hourly because I am, of course, still looking for that perspective of the 86 level to be tested. But if we look at the previous price analysis, there is something to keep in mind. Number one, of course, is the fact that we were trading below the exponential moving averages, using them as resistance as a continuation for Luna Classic. But right now, we are now using them as support. This is a beautiful indicator to tell you whether in the short term we will be looking for those long entries. And as long as we continue using this trade, of course, as support for these EMAs, we could be looking for a nice swing to the upside. Now, we have to be very, very careful here because we have been in this situation many times before. You can see once we bounce off this crucial level support once again, we did get the same sort of fake out opportunity before that massive move to the downside. You guys know from my previous videos that I have mentioned this liquidity grab to you guys many, many times. We've seen the same pattern on Luna Classic every time we saw a dump. We saw the same liquidity grab over here. We saw another liquidity grab over here. We saw the same liquidity grab over here, and zooming out on the chart right now, it looks like we're ready for another liquidity grab. So keep that in mind as you guys are trading, that we are still overall looking for that bearish perspective to play out. But just because obviously a lot of traders are obviously looking for those short entries, it does make an opportunity for a nice short squeeze to the upside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.